In this video, we listed the 5 best PCB thermal camera on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Mechanic TI-08 HD Camera. The Wellsoto TI-08 is a sophisticated thermal imager designed for efficient electrical fault detection and diagnosis, particularly for mobile devices like iPhones. This non-smart device features a standing station style and operates with a charger, maintaining a compact size of 285mm x 220mm x 172mm. It utilizes infrared technology to measure temperatures from 30mm to 150mm, with a resolution of 256 by 192 pixels and a lens field of view angle of 56 by 42 degrees. Users can store images in JPG format and videos in MP4, with a USB Type-C interface for connectivity. Notable features include one-click fault detection, analysis of 3D thermal field distribution, a high-temperature alarm system, and a design that allows for 360-degree height adjustment and lens collision avoidance. The device is also equipped with multiple color display modes and is supported by an antistatic base made of heat-resistant silicone, making it an excellent tool for diagnosing PCB and motherboard issues. Number 2. QIANLI Super Camera. The QIANLI Super Cam X 3D Thermal Imager Camera is a sophisticated diagnostic tool designed for phone repair and PCB inspection, capable of identifying faults such as leakage, short circuits, and offering temperature tracking. This smart device features advanced capabilities, including a maximum temperature range of -20 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius, adjustable angles for the visible light camera, and the ability to fuse infrared thermal imaging with visible light images for clearer diagnostics. Equipped with an uncooled vanadium oxide detector and a resolution of 260 by 200 pixels, it captures detailed thermal images, which can be saved in JPG and video format, MP4. The camera efficiently operates at low power consumption and supports connection via USB Type-C. With a weight of 435 g and removable installation, it's designed for easy maneuverability. Overall, the SuperCam X is essential for technicians in the field, enhancing precision in electronic repairs through its extensive thermal assessment functionalities. Number 3. QIANLI Mega Idea Camera. The QIANLI Super Cam 2S Pro is a specialized computer tool kit designed for advanced diagnostic and repair tasks on mobile phone motherboards, particularly for iPhones. Manufactured by QIANLI and branded under QIANLI Mega Idea, this combination device is packaged in a box and originates from mainland China. It enhances efficiency in fault detection and repair processes through features such as comparative analysis of quick check outliers, rapid localization of short-circuit locations, and assessment of the motherboard's running status. This tool is essential for professionals engaged in DIY electrical supplies and offers significant support in maintaining and troubleshooting mobile devices. Number 4. QIANLI Super Cam. The QIANLI Super Cam Y is a state-of-the-art 3D infrared thermal imaging analyzing camera designed specifically for efficient phone repair and PCB short-circuit diagnosis. With a high customer satisfaction rating of 4.9 and over 10,000 units sold, this innovative tool enables technicians to quickly identify temperature anomalies and potential issues within electronic circuits, making repairs faster and more accurate. Its advanced thermal imaging capabilities provide detailed insights, helping users optimize their troubleshooting process and enhance the overall quality of their repair work. Number 5. 3D Thermal PCB Camera. The EasyOver 3D Thermal Imaging Analyzer is a cutting-edge tool designed for diagnosing issues in circuit boards, particularly in PCB phone repairs. With a compact 1.9-inch display and a standing station style, this smart device employs advanced 3D thermal imaging technology to identify short circuits, leakage currents as low as 6 mA, and other complex faults within electronic components. The analyzer operates via dedicated PC software stored on a USB drive, ensuring compatibility with Windows 10 and 11, while providing features like customizable color palettes, temperature data visualization, and detailed 3D visualizations of circuit boards. Its high-resolution imaging, 256 by 192 pixels, an adjustable temperature measurement range of -20 degrees Celsius to +150 degrees Celsius make it suitable for meticulous electronic analysis. Additionally, an optional macro lens can enhance detail visibility for small components. The device's robust design includes a flexible metal stand with high temperature resistance, accommodating a thorough inspection process in various industrial applications.